Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Google reCAPTCHA to your contact form 7 in WordPress. By the end of this tutorial, your website's contact forms will be protected from spam and bots, and your genuine visitors will have a smoother, safer experience reaching out to you. Plus, you'll know how to set up both reCAPTCHA v2 and v3 so you can decide which works best for your site's needs. Let's dive right in. First, we need to obtain your unique Google reCAPTCHA keys. Think of these as special codes that tell Google which site to protect. Start by heading over to the Google reCAPTCHA Admin Console if you haven't used it before. Just search Google reCAPTCHA Admin Console and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see a plus icon in the corner. Click that to register a new site. This is where you'll really customize your setup. When it asks for a label, use something descriptive. Like my website contact form, this makes it easy to manage if you set up more reCAPTCHAs in the future. Next, choose your reCAPTCHA type. If you want the classic experience, where visitors check the "I'm not a robot" box, select reCAPTCHA v2 and pick the checkbox option. If you prefer something unobtrusive and score-based, go with v3. This option won't bother users at all, but quietly keeps an eye out for suspicious activity in the background. Now fill in your site's domain name, just the main part like example.com. No need to include https://. This tells Google where your reCAPTCHA will live. Before moving forward, don't forget to accept Google's terms of service, a quick but necessary step. Once you hit submit, Google generates two important codes: your site key and your secret key. These are essential, so copy both. You'll need them in the next part. If you're juggling between screens or saving the keys somewhere safe, go ahead and take a moment. Don't worry if you can't find them later. You can always revisit the console and copy them again. With your keys in hand, let's move across to your WordPress admin dashboard. Log in and look on the sidebar for the Contact section. This is where Contact Form 7 lives. Hover over it and click on Integration. This page is like the control center for all the tools you can link to your forms. Look for the reCAPTCHA box. It should say something about setting up integration. Click on Setup Integration and you'll see two new fields, one for the site key, one for the secret key. Carefully paste your keys into the right boxes. Accuracy matters here. A typo can break the connection, so double-check as you go. Once both keys are in place, click Save Changes. That's it. Your contact forms are now shielded by Google reCAPTCHA. Depending on which version you chose, your visitors might see the familiar checkbox, or benefit from invisible protection working behind the scenes. Either way, you've taken a solid step to defend against spam and automated abuse, keeping your communications clean and reliable. Alright, that's the process. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button so others can find it too. Got questions or ran into any quirks? Drop a comment below. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more straightforward WordPress guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck keeping your site safe.